More than 1/3 of the U.S. population from the Midwest to the East Coast is under air quality alerts tonight. More smoke from those out-of-control wildfires in Canada is still sweeping across the United States, making for smoggy skylines. It's Wednesday night. The big story on Action News is round 2 for a smoky tri-state.
And it looks like it will stay that way until Friday. First responders right now dealing with more than 250 wildfires across Canada. And tonight, Chicago has the worst air quality in the world.
Action News reporter Bob Brooks joining us live in University City with the latest developments on the smoke in Philadelphia. Bob.
Yeah, hey, Shari and Gray, the smoke is back. Unfortunately, we have another code red. Now, I know this time around it doesn't seem as bad as it was 2 weeks ago, but nonetheless, doctors we spoke with this evening say this event can still cause some problems. We put up Drone 6 today at Belmont Plateau and saw what we expected, a hazy Philadelphia skyline caused by smoke from Canadian wildfires. A code red for the city and for all of Pennsylvania has been declared. This alert means that the air is unhealthy to breathe.
I'm starting to cough and stuff. It was kind of affecting the lungs.
I have like a balcony and I can go outside and it smells like smoke.
Now, there were some people in the city we spoke with tonight who said they didn't notice the air quality being that bad today, especially when you compare it with what happened 2 weeks ago when the city was blanketed by smoke from the Canadian wildfires. But we spoke with Dr. Mark F. Goldstein, who can explain why this code red still needs to be taken seriously.
Because of the size of the particles, it's very easy to activate problems in those who have obstructive lung disease like asthma and COPD.
He adds these wildfire particles can cause all sorts of problems, especially for those with lung conditions.
A lot of people will initially complain of nasal and ocular symptoms, so they'll have burning eyes, burning nose, soreness in their throat. They can develop a little bit of a cough, feel short of breath.
So if you think you're at risk, consider canceling outdoor events and gatherings, or just flat out avoid going outdoors as much as you can until it's lifted. Also, there are masks available for free throughout the city at these 4 health department resource hubs. Plus, if you head to any Philadelphia fire station or Philadelphia Police District, you can get masks for free there as well. They are carrying 2 different kinds. Okay, Gray, Dr. Goldstein wanted to reiterate, if you are at risk, try and stay inside as much as you can. Keep that air conditioning on. Circulate that air through your home. It will surely help as we weather this weather event. Tonight, reporting live in University City, Bob Brooks for Action News at 10 on PHL 17. Gray.